Honestly, it's not easy surviving the YouTube space, and trust me, if you've not gotten to this stage on YouTube, just watch this video to the very end, because it's not a point in your life as a YouTuber that you want to get to, so that you can actually prevent it. Trust me, YouTube can demonetize you, and if YouTube demonetize you, it means that you are no longer able to earn on YouTube. And of course, just because they accepted you into the YPP doesn't mean that they cannot also reject you, or they cannot demonetize you, which is letting you go after a period of time. And this is something that just happened to me. Like, YouTube demonetized one of my YouTube channels, and I am so down right now. Like, I'm so down right now. But basically, I'm going to share with you some of the reason why YouTube is going to demonetize your channel, or why YouTube is going to, even up to the point of deleting your channel permanently if you don't stick to some of the rules and regulations. So basically, the reason why YouTube is going to demonetize your channel is if you violate the YouTube policies. Now, there is something called the YouTube guidelines, or YouTube policies, that help YouTubers, or that helps content creators here on YouTube to stay afloat, or to stay guided by YouTube, right? And these are some of the things that if you violate any of these policies, YouTube can wake up one morning and delete your channel or demonetize you. Demonetizing means you will stop getting paid in your channel, right? And then deleting your channel means that you will no longer see the channel. Your channel will no longer be visible on the YouTube space, right? They will just delete everything, all of your hard work, all of your creativity. YouTube will just delete it. And if you don't want that to happen, then you need to adhere to the YouTube policy, because that is one way to taking you through this route, right? If you don't listen, right, to the YouTube policy. Now, one of these YouTube policy is if you are not making content that are advertisers friendly. Now, if you are somebody that is making content that is full of hate, or that has a bit of hate speech, you are making content that has maybe making someone else talk about something that they did not talk about, or generally just making content that is not appropriate for advertisers, then YouTube may demonetize you or even delete your video. Because trust me, YouTube wants a situation where you create videos that advertisers will want to put in their ads. And there are YouTube videos that are not advertisers friendly, because this is where YouTube make their money. YouTube make their money from advertisers, right? When advertisers come to put in ads in your videos, which is you, the creator's video, right? YouTube is going to pay you part of that money, and they will take part for themselves. So this is how they make money. And they don't want you to violate that law where you create videos that is not something that an advertiser would want to put in their ad. So if you create that kind of video, YouTube is going to take it down, or YouTube is going to delete your channel, or YouTube is going to, demonetize you. Especially YouTube is going to delete your channel if you continually record this kind of content, right? YouTube is going to delete your channel, because of course they will give you warnings here and there, and if you don't adhere, they will delete your channel. Another thing is copyright infringement. If you use someone else's video, or someone else's music in your video, or someone else's creativity that has copyright to it, YouTube is going to demonetize you. Like, before they demonetize you, they are going to send you a strike here and there in your YouTube video, on that video, your YouTube studio, on that video, telling you that, oh, there is a copyright claim here, there is a copyright strike here. And if you don't see to it, if you don't go ahead and amend it, YouTube is going to demonetize you. They will stop paying you. They will take you out of the YouTube partner program, right? And then you have to be appealing, and sometimes they may not accept you, right? So make sure that your content are free from copyright claims. Another thing is reuse content. Like, this one is the one that really got me. This one is the one that really made YouTube demonetize me. I used a clip of video that was not mine, right? Because it was someone else's video, right? Though as at that time I didn't know about it. Trust me, there are some things that you are going to discover as a YouTuber every single day once you join the YouTube partner program. So initially I really didn't know about it, so I used this particular clip from someone else's video and added it to my own video, and YouTube actually strikes that video. Now, like I said, there are a lot of things you get to learn as a YouTuber. I didn't know what that strike means. I really didn't see it, as something that was, serious, that I should work on. And then the next day I woke up to an email telling me that YouTube has demonetized my channel. Trust me, that was when I went to look at what it means, you know, and then I got back to, you know, deleting those videos and taking them off my page and then reapplying for monetization again. And it took me 3 months for YouTube to accept me back into the YouTube partner program. Trust me, you don't want to go through this 3 months of constantly uploading, because even if YouTube tells you to wait for 3 months, you need to constantly be uploading and keeping that channel active for you to be able to, you know, reapply, and then YouTube is going to review your channel and get back on track with you. But if you don't continually, you know, upload videos, it will feel like maybe you are not serious with your channel, and YouTube may not, you know, accept you back into the program. So make sure that you are not using someone else's content that is not originally yours. Please don't use it, because YouTube is going to demonetize your channel. Especially if you are already monetized, YouTube is going to demonetize you. And if you are not already monetized, YouTube may delete your content or your channel, right? Now the next one is inauthentic content. You are producing content that is not authentic. You are producing content that is not 100% yours, or that is not true, that does not have value, that is not giving value, that does not have serious value that it is giving. It is inauthentic. It is not authentic. I don't know how to explain it more to you, but if you are creating content that is not yours, or you are using videos that are not yours, you are creating content that is not, you know, saying what it is, that is not meaningful, right, that does not have authenticity, YouTube is going to demonetize you or delete your channel for the worst part. Like, I saw a girl on this YouTube space that YouTube demonetized, that YouTube deleted her channel. Now this lady has been on this YouTube space for some years, and she has created beautiful content on the YouTube space, and her channel she just woke up one day and her channel has been deleted, right? So please make sure you are doing the right thing, so that YouTube does not wake up one morning and send you email that will just send you to sorrow mode, okay? Because that is something that you don't want to experience. It's not a good experience at all. Another reason why YouTube is going to demonetize your channel is if your channel is found around spam. If your channel has spam, maybe spam videos or spam something, anything spam around in it, right? Now make sure that you are doing your best. The YouTube partner program has its policy, right? YouTube has its terms and conditions for joining the YouTube partner program. Ensure to read it, because a lot of YouTubers that are eager to join the monetization system do not read it. Read the terms and conditions and know what YouTube demands of you as a creator before you go ahead to accept the terms, so that while you accept the terms, it's already registered in your mind the kind of videos that you should be creating here, or the kind of things that you should keep in mind while you are creating content, so that you don't end up getting demonetized by YouTube. Because trust me, YouTube does not look at anybody's face. YouTube will not look at your face. YouTube will demonetize you. Like, they will not even think of how long you'll be putting in the effort and whatnot. So you don't want to fall into this category. You don't want to be in this space, because your mental health is going to be on the run. Like, please be guarded, be safe out there, be a content creator with authenticity. Make sure you are following the rules and policies of YouTube, so that you don't get into this situation. I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question following this topic, please also leave it in the comments. If you want to see more content about growing here on YouTube, making money, monetizing, and staying beautifully on the YouTube space, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because that is what I do. Currently run 5 YouTube channels, and my experience over the years of being a YouTuber is what I come here to teach you, because of course I've monetized 3 YouTube channels out of those 5, and I'm on my journey to monetizing the remaining 2. So if you want to see content that is going to help you build a beautiful YouTube channel that is going to stand the test of time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.